Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit photos in retro movies using Adobe Lightroom for iPad. Here is an example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First go to light. Contrast to -50. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +70. Whites to +60. And blacks to -20. Go to curve.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with
Next go to color. Temperature to +10. Tint to +10. +8 for vibrance. And saturation to -50. Go to color mix. Hue to +35. Saturation to -10. Next go to orange. Hue to -16.
You could be with anyone,
Saturation to -25. Luminance to +35. Go to yellow. Saturation to -50. And luminance to +35. Go to green. Hue to +50. Saturation to -70. And luminance to -20. Next go to aqua. Hue to +60. Saturation to -50. And luminance to -15. Go to blue. Hue to -10. Saturation to -60. Next go to effect. Clarity to +20. Dehaze to +30. Vignette to -15. Midpoint to -0. Go to split toning. Bring the hue to 195 and saturation to 5 foreshadows. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo copy setting.